Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today, we will present to you our project, the Smart Doorbell for Hearing Impaired People. The name of our team is the Trial Butterfly. The members in our team is Mumtazah Rana binti Adnan,
Karina Kadisha binti Muhammad Nizam,
dan Fatia Zahra binti Muhammad Nasir.
Now for our project overview. Our Smart Doorbell helps hearing impaired individuals know when someone is at the door to visual and vibration alerts, making everyday life safer and more independent. How can our product help people? Our Smart Doorbell helps hearing impaired people by using LED lights, a buzzer, and a PIR sensor instead of relying on sound. When someone is at the door and all moves near it, the PIR sensor detects motion, and the LED flashes to show a visitor is present. Why is our product better than the radio solution? Unlike regular doorbells that rely entirely on sound, our Smart Doorbell provides visual and motion-based alerts, showing that hearing impaired users never miss a visitor. Now for the main components and their roles. The first component is the Maker Feather Alive SV board. One of the functions is that it acts as the main controller of the system. Now for the second component is the PIR, Passive Infrared Sensor. One of their functions is that it detects human movement by sensing changes in infrared radiation. Now for the third components are the output components, buzzer and LED. The function of the buzzer is that it produces an audible alert when triggered. Now for the LED, it provides a visual indication of system status or detecting motion. Now for the final components are the jumper wires and the breadboard. Now the functions of the jumper wires is that it connects electronic components and transfers signals/power. Now the function of the breadboard is that it allows circuit prototyping without soldering. Now here's a picture of all of the components together. Thank you for your time. We hope our project demonstrates how technology can create smarter and safer solutions. Thank you.